The first time that I had water in my lungs and you cleared it, I was like, okay, I'm a believer. Our eyes were wide open that day. Our perspective completely changed. She was healed in 2 sessions.
And I've healed. Like I feel like a whole person. I feel like I've transitioned into somebody that can actually be of service to other people in the situation I was in.
We were just talking about the fact that everything starts in an energetic base. The form of the energy field gives rise or gets connected to matter in a way that it's then represented in what we call real, right? Hard, dense matter.
And 4 years ago, my daughter was really sick, and we tried talk therapy and medication and meditation and massage and reflexology and yoga and all those things that you try. We were absolutely desperate, and desperation brought us to Danny Reyes, Danny Reyes came to us. The universe brought him to us, and our eyes were wide open that day. Our perspective completely changed. She was healed in 2 sessions by you, and I just knew I had to learn more.
We take the holistic approach as opposed to reduce it to one single aspect. We go the opposite route, which is I want to see the big picture, right? Why that small thing is happening. There is something in the big picture. That's a holistic approach, right? By the time the body is expressing an illness in a specific area of the physical body, that means energetically I am living a reality that is not full.
I went to the doctor and they drained the water out of my lungs, and it came right back within 3 weeks. So I went to chemo, and the doctor checked my lungs and he's like, yeah, you need to go get them drained. So the next day I went in to get them drained, and I was so sick. I was like, and he's like, if you move, we're gonna puncture your lung. So I was like, no thank you. So I was like, I'll just reschedule when I feel better. But then I was scheduled with you the next day, and you just put the magnets on me and cleared my lungs, and I was a believer. I'm like, okay, anyway, so unless I break my legs, I won't go to the doctor for
right. and that's kind of how we all start in this journey. We find a modality that helps us regain our health, and we understand that there are possibilities outside of mainstream that we were not told about, right? So I am excited that you are taking this course, and I'm sure that you're going to be able to help a lot of people as you share this with everybody.
I'm so excited about this. It's going to be incredible.
Thank you for your trust.
So I've actually healed from trauma that I've been holding on for 22 years, and I've healed. Like I feel like a whole person. I feel like I've transitioned into somebody that can actually be of service to other people in the situation I was in.
Right. To me, life is just a feeling that comes when I am aligned with who I am. And for me, it's obviously been a journey, and I'm not anywhere near where I want to be, perhaps. But in this moment, I know that I'm doing the right thing because I feel it. And in this moment, that means teaching a course that has been transformative for me and for my loved ones. And I think that's kind of like the compass that I use. If it feels that it's coming from the heart, I do it, and the result is there, the fruit is there, and it's enjoyable. So if I can share one bit of advice, is that for life to be as enjoyable as it can be, it has to come from the heart. heart. And I do believe that this course is based on that. I hope that it continues to evolve so that it helps as many people as it can.